And at bat, it's the big O, baby. What's going on, YouTube family and friends? Welcome back to the channel, and what we came to discuss here in today's video is QBTS. And if you're currently holding this stock, can you please drop in the comment section below the word "still holding"? I do feel as though that this stock has more room to run, and I'm going to be giving you my price prediction for the end of the month. Also, we're going to take a brief look and check out DXYZ. As you all know, I do have a $70 price target here for DXYZ for the end of the month of December, and I am still confident on that. So stick around, we're going to talk about it all. But before we do so, don't forget to get over to the main homepage of the channel and make sure you guys hit that notification bell so you will be notified when tomorrow's live stream start. And do me and all the viewers a huge favor: get over here and smash that like button before the live stream starts, because we're trying to get 200 likes so we can open this live chat for everyone. And shout out to Jamie Nelson for joining the early seat membership. So with that being said, see you guys tomorrow. And before we get started here with today's video, ladies and gentlemen, I want to just take a quick poll. How many of you guys have actually invested in a stock for longer than a year? If that was you, can you please comment in the comment section below the words "longer than a year"? I just want to see how many people is interested in long-term investment. So with that being said, let's dive right in. First stock we're going to talk about here in today's video, ladies and gentlemen, and that is QBTS. And for those that have been a part of our Discord server, then you two actually did catch the QBTS alert in real time when we first actually alerted this thing in our Discord back on November 14th for the entry price of $2.02. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, today's high coming in at that $4.17. I'm here to tell you guys that this stock does have much more room to run, and with that being said, this is going to offer a great return. If we take a brief look and consider everything that is going on in this sector, ladies and gentlemen, it is growing. Not only that, with the AI demand, we're going to also see this sector, which is the quantum computing sector, thrive as well. Companies like QBTS, QUBT, and others, I do expect for these companies to actually grow a market cap as high as 4x from what we see here today. Currently, QBTS sees a market cap of $681 million. I do feel as though that this thing can actually see upwards to $4 billion in market cap, ladies and gentlemen, within the next 3 years. You have to take in consideration the AI demand is going to have a ripple effect in a few other sectors, such as cloud computing and other sectors as well. I will be dropping a video on that, letting everyone know the AI, what we call it, ecosystem that you should be investing into, not just NVIDIA and or AMD, a few others. I'm going to lay that groundwork out for you guys. But QBTS, currently, if you ask me, the best stock to buy under $5. Why? Because they are improving on the balance sheets. Not only that, with a very promising sector, ladies and gentlemen, and a huge potential to grow. I do feel as though that this is a nice long-term stock style of play, but I do see an increase in short interest, and the reason why we're seeing that is because an increase in interest overall by retail investors like you and I, shorts like volume, and that is what QBTS is starting to get here. If we take a brief look and just check out the recent short sale analysis, yes, we tend to actually get an aggressive short sale ratio here more often than not in QBTS, and I do feel as though that is going to be the fuel of the fire for this continuation to the upside. I do feel as though that end of the month price prediction for QBTS is well beyond $5. But before I give you that, guys, I just want you to take a brief look and check out what's going on with DXYZ. Another one of those stocks that we alerted early off in our Discord server. I alerted DXYZ back on the 6th of November for the entry price of $15.29, and currently here today hitting a 52-week high of $53.77. And again, guys, if you do want my alerts in real time, all you have to do is click that Discord link in the description below and let the gains begin. But DXYZ, my $70 price target, ladies and gentlemen, I am very confident that we will reach and breach that here in the month of December due to the fact that the Rocket Man, okay? DXYZ has made a huge stake in SpaceX, and SpaceX isn't currently publicly listed on any of the American exchanges. With that being said, in order to get a early exposure to said SpaceX, ladies and gentlemen, DXYZ is a great alternative, and a lot of retail investors is looking at that as so. With that being said, the share price is rising, and each and every launch is somewhat a catalyst for the stock DXYZ. And the reason why I call Elon Musk Rocket Man is because Donald Trump referred to the North Korean leader as Rocket Man due to all the rockets he was shooting off. And it seems as though that Elon Musk has him beat. So with so many rockets being lifted, that's a lot of catalysts for DXYZ. Not only that, yeah, DXYZ, I do feel as though that $70 price target is well in reach. We're seeing a light up in short sale activity, but the short sale ratio is incredibly high due to, again, this thing, as you guys can see here, 17, 15, 14, 11, 12. But the total short count is extremely low due to the extremely low volume here in DXYZ. A lot of retail investors hasn't caught on just yet that this is early exposure to SpaceX. But I do feel as though that this stock here is going to become Tesla shareholders' best friend here pretty soon. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, be looking for DXYZ to continue to cross these major thresholds. But I do feel as though that tomorrow, Friday, DXYZ stands a very great chance to cross those $58 levels. Currently, right now, the PCD is extremely high, which is basically a massive number of holdings are currently profitable, and that is exposing anyone that is currently to buy at these prices at buying high. And that is why I suggest for you guys to use my 10% buy-in method. I will have that video posted in the comment section below, so make sure you check that out. But again, DXYZ, make sure you guys approach this with caution at these levels. But again, let's go back to QBTS. Far as my end of the month price prediction here for QBTS, I do feel as though that this stock stands a very great chance to see those $7 levels, and that is my floor, ranging between $7 and $9 here before the end of the month. And those levels may become sustainable here later next year. I do feel as though that we're going to see a major retracement here in the sector here early next year, with stocks like QBTS, QUBT, and others seeing a major retracement from that. But later, mid next year, I do feel as though those $7 to $9 levels will be sustainable here in QBTS with those earnings reports to back it. So with that being said, if you do agree with anything I said in this video, can you please leave a thumbs up on it? Also, don't forget about tomorrow's live stream, which starts 8:15 a.m. Central Time, 15 minutes before market open. And this is going to be a great one because, like I said plenty of times, Fridays is always my best trading days. So see you guys there.